This is unacceptable.
How long have you had that?
Some scissors.
Man?
I don't know. Too long.
Dan has to play air guitar after each set.
I need a crowbar.
That's all she's talked about.
You don't have
Yesterday,
one?
just
What, the air guitar?
randomly.
You're in a barn for 8 hours. You get kind of
That
bored.
was my favorite part.
And then Freebird comes on. Like, what do you think's gonna happen during the solo of
Oh my gosh,
Freebird?
I've never seen that. That's hilarious.
It's like a
And she's like,
45-minute
I can play the flute.
Every time you think it's over, it kicks back
No,
up
I'm
again.
dead serious. Like, that was like my favorite part. Like, I honestly did play more air guitar.
Oh.
It was so good. The whole thing was good. It was really fun to see how much you've done.
Oh, I was blown
Like,
away looking at some of the
that's
pictures.
what
I was like,
I'm
holy
saying.
crap, that
You
was
went
really
over
a
and saw
mess.
it,
Yeah.
And then you don't go for a while, and then you come in, and it's like, oh, it's kind of like a gym. It's a gym. You can work out here now. And then you forget. And I was like watching the videos, I was like, oh my god, he worked so hard.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
An actual warm-up for work?
Yeah, it's not gonna be too long.
We are going to do 4 rounds of 500-meter row and then 3 carries. Suitcase carry, front rack carry, overhead carry. So you're going to right arm, left arm with 500 meters in between each. So 2K of rowing and then 12 trips worth of farmer's carries. Or some kind of carry.
Yeah, posting about pumpkin spice and turning basic.
Bringing up Christmas, not even Halloween.
I didn't do it. Evan did. I'm stuck on Halloween. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna be for Halloween.
Yeah, are we doing a Halloween thing?
You guys dressed up?
For the gym we do.
Are we doing another like?
basic bitch.
Carrying around 2 pumpkin spice, 1 pumpkin spice, 1 peppermint, whatever.
Peppermint mocha.
Peppermint mocha, whatever. Yeah. Shorter AMRAP. You want to make like a bigger, longer set?
What have we done this week? We've done
BSA.
we did the ERAMO toast bar, and then the 20 plus minute. Then yesterday we did a 45 plus.
We did ERAMO chest bar.
Oh, that's right. Sorry, chest bar.
A thruster and pull-up one, except substitute in handstand push-ups every 4 minutes if you don't make it under the 4-minute cap.
Yeah, and the weight goes up. Is that what you were
Weight can
saying?
Go up, yeah. That'd be cool. With the thruster. There's never been an ascending thruster weight. I've always thought that would be cool to do, but
Whatever you use it, you make it up.
okay.
My creative juices are gone.
That's not true. I had some guy in his backyard
Shooting?
shooting baskets. He's just in a very tiny bike.
Killing it
Just
though.
like 100 degrees outside. He's out there.
Legitimately thought that was a diaper.
I love that
I
though.
think that was
He's
diaper.
out there enjoying himself. He's like, I got fenced up. Like, okay.
I'll bet he probably shit.
I'm not going inside. I'm having way too much fun right now.
I'm on fire.
I'm on fire. You have to use time to change your plates and snatch pull-up workout, double under, or clean double under.
Are those stricter?
Or well, people change your plates for you too. Huh? I would probably say tipping.
Because that would be 30 strict, 69, 150, and I'm not good. I have
She says this every time,
150 strict handstand push-ups.
and then she wins every workout.
That's a lot of.
Dan, you just roasted
I'm a
yourself.
$6 million man too.
I don't even think I know what that
Well, yeah, see? Exactly.
Yeah, too old.
You change.
No, I think
Because I know you want to change
I think it looks
something.
good.
There's a little buttons in there, a little chalk bucket full.
If he's like shifting, I think that's good. Because he should go really fast. So, like 30 seconds. So, is it
I
like.
did less on this because, I mean, you're going to be more
No, I think
fatigued
that's perfect.
than chest to bar.
Okay.
It's like,
Do it. See what we got?
ready, break.
It's a fading line. I never wanted this, but hey, we're still alive. I lost what I thought was mine. I get in trouble when I'm trying to step aside. We're almost done, and we're blinded by all the lies. Lose all and never even no one knows what's wrong or right. I don't care anymore, you cry. Can't we just laugh about it and ignore the signs? We're almost done.
All the way through. Every rep. Let's go.
We had to call an audible in the middle of the workout. This 4 minutes was way too aggressive. Which is fine. Audibles are fine, especially when you're just going to make things harder. So the workout went a little bit longer. Changed that to 5 minutes. I don't think you're going to have to worry about this max word over here. I'll be real impressed if anyone gets into the round of 155 on that. So those were the changes. Ugh.
Do accessory work?
Yeah.
Like, do you just sit up?
Oh yeah, you used to sit up. Yeah. Weighted.
You do weighted. Or the med ball.
Yeah.
And paired with what? Anything or no?
Legless.
Yeah, I probably should do a couple. That's fine. But not for time. Or do you want to do it for time?
I mean, it's always for time, but we can move slow.
No. Okay. I would like to do it not as a metron, more as a skill acquire volume component.
I agree. Pat, do you concur? Got it. Woo.
How many do you want to do overall?
Probably, what, 100 weighted?
So I was thinking, I guess it'd have to be 5 or 1. Or let's just do 2 or 3 each rep. 20 to 2 or 3, 20 to 3, 5 times. Or we do the descent.
Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just go,
20
I go
weights.
around, you go around, I go around.
Oh, it's a rep clean?
Yes.
Oh,
You said you didn't want to be a victim.
well, no, we do clean.
You always make it right.
Just finished an AM training session at CrossFit Polaris with KRISTI, Pat, and Evan. Had a good time. What else do you guys want to see on here? What do you want to see from my training experience? What do you want to know? Help me put together some content for you guys. We'll make it fun for you and make it fun for me. Have a good one.